Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Google AI Pro. First, you'll want to access Gemini Pro, which is available through Google AI Studio or integrated into various Google products. This powerful AI model is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from generating creative text formats to answering complex questions. It's built to be highly versatile, offering advanced capabilities for both personal and professional use. Let's dive into how you can start leveraging its potential today. Gemini Pro offers a robust set of core features that make it incredibly useful. You can use it to generate creative text, like poems, scripts, or emails with impressive fluency. It's also excellent for summarizing long articles or documents, helping you quickly grasp key information. Furthermore, its translation capabilities are top-notch, handling various languages accurately. For developers, it can even assist with writing and debugging code, making it a versatile tool for many applications. The practical applications for Gemini Pro are extensive. Imagine using it to brainstorm innovative ideas for your next project or to quickly draft compelling marketing copy. Students can leverage it to create detailed study guides or explain complex topics in simpler terms. Professionals can analyze large datasets of text to extract valuable insights, saving hours of manual work. Its adaptability means it can be a powerful assistant in almost any field, enhancing productivity and creativity. To get the most out of Gemini Pro, always provide clear and specific prompts. The more detail you give, the better the output will be. Don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasing or follow-up questions to refine the results to your exact needs. Remember, practice makes perfect when interacting with AI. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below. Always review and edit the generated content to ensure it aligns with your intended message and is factually accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.